Hey guys, so we are finally at our Windermere house at Lokhandwala, and I'm really excited to give you a house tour of this house which you have been seeing on Instagram, and you've also been a part of the process as I have always updated you on the stories and reels. So let's just start. Behind me is the entrance door, and as you see we have incorporated the nameplate in the handle itself. So yes, Morar cars. Let's go in. So the moment you enter into this huge living and dining space, and it gives a very warm welcome to you. Right at the entry, we have got this cute piece of shoe rack from IKEA. We didn't want to go with something very huge because it blocks the entrance. So we got this one, which is a wall mounted one, easy to open and use. And it gives a ledge also to keep your keys or sign a courier or something of that sort. Moving on to the TV console, as you see, to enhance the length of this wall, we have given a long TV console which has LED below, which makes it look like it's floating, and it has very seamless handles. These we got from Maria Decor, and they have been really helpful to show us a number of options, and this was the one which fitted the best. So these are PVC wooden panels which gives a little texture and depth to this entire wall. In the TV console, we didn't want it to go with something that comes out over here or hits your leg, because this is a main passage. So we wanted it to be seamless. So we went with this detail where this is called as a J handle. Okay, so we splayed the tip of the drawer face and have put this J handle, which is a rose gold finish, which matches with the rest of the furniture base. It's a very sleek finish, and when you see from the front, you just see a white box instead of the handles. Coming on to the living space, so here we have provided a 3-seater sofa with these lines, which is matching with the wooden panels that we have put onto the TV console. It's a very neutral, muted tone sofa with blue accent color pillows that we have provided. And this is a Turkish design center table with leaf design on it, and a huge rug to define the space. And with this 3-seater sofa, we have given the 2 poofs. So it gives a very nice, and it's movable, so it becomes very easy for family get-togethering. And as this is a very big family, it becomes very easy for them to sit anywhere and everywhere in this space. So this is our neutral tone living room with our baby, the tall plant, which adds life to it. And also the chandelier, if you see on top, gives the entire elite look to this place. Coming on to the blue zone, which I like to call it, is the dining space. So after the warm area that we saw, this is something more comfy and cool, and there are 6 chairs with our accent color, that's the blue color, with the base, as you see, is black and rose gold finish, which is matching with the sofa finish that I told. So this all looks as one family. Coming on to the mandir. So as you see in the mandir, we have given the Om pattern design at the back with enough space for housing all his deities. There are very small details here that I would like to explain. Like there are parts of the year where they do not want to see their deity, so they needed a provision of curtain. So you see we have given a hidden slit over here from where we have the blinds coming down. Also there was a very cute wish of the, I find it cute, but I think that is genuine for them, is to have a small fan in the mandir, because they didn't want their deities and god to feel hot. So we have also housed a small fan which merges with the entire background. Also, as I said, more deities, they also need space for the bhog and thalis that they use while doing puja. So we have provided this wooden tray which can open up, can be used for keeping the thalis and a multiple number of bhogs, and gives a complete finish. Now, binding all this, the mandir, the dining, we needed one element that could bind this, and that's the Marshall wallpaper. So you see it's a leaf wallpaper, again going with the natural theme of the house, and the blue color is matching with the accent color of the chairs, And yes, the white base is going with the mandir. So this was a perfect fit which combined the mandir and the dining space together. So my client has been quite lucky to get a 16 feet long kitchen. To make this kitchen look even larger, we have used white quartz from Carrara, and if you see the design of the quartz, it has self-white design which makes it look very sleek and elegant. It also matches with the overall marble finish tiles of the house. Coming on to the highlighter tiles. Now as you see, the entire kitchen has either white, grey, or it has the rose gold handles. So we needed some movement and something to tie up these colors. So we went on with this highlighter tile where there is grey and white color geometric pattern. This is at the center of the 16 feet long kitchen. So it also gets that importance that we are giving it. Coming on to the crockery unit. So we have given a proper cabinet with a lot of space for storing all kinds of crockery sets and glass, and we have kept it plain clear glass with rose gold profile handle. Again, this is seamless, nothing comes out because as you see, the door has to open, and so I can't have a handle coming out, and that's what we've taken care of with the crockery unit and the kitchen. So this is the daughter's bedroom, and as you see, the entire room has her favorite color, purple and pink. That is the study corner, the cute little study corner with the study table, white wardrobes, and as you see, we have done a very subtle pattern with pink and purple laminates. Moving on from the study to the sleeping area, that is this beautiful bed with a purple headboard that we have stretched onto the entire length of the wall so that it defines the entire space. And to give that fairy look and that dreamy effect to the room, we have definitely added the LED lights, which always adds the magic to the entire room. So this is the parents' bedroom. As they didn't want anything jazzy, and as we know they are elder in age, we wanted to go with something really neutral, traditional, Indian traditional look. So this is the bed where we have kept the earthen brown color headboard. These are Marshall wallpapers. Again, here the color of the room, that is cream and brown, we have used as a watercolor base, and on top of that there is this geometric pattern. So it is a blend of the traditional as well as the modern look. Talking about this huge wardrobe, which is it's a favorite element of mine in this entire house, that is this wardrobe. Because of the laminate, which is a linen finish laminate, again gives a very traditional and Indian earthy look, which has been compiled with the brown wooden laminate that you see. Moving on to the last room of this house, that's the master bedroom. So as you see, as we enter the room, it's a passage with, it had a niche over here. So we have used it to make the wardrobe. Coming in, we have the bedroom space. We have, bifurcated this entire space for the sleeping area with queen size bed. We have given a backdrop of the Marshall's wallpaper with leaf print. Going on to the headboards, we have used a darker shade of red to complement with the neutral tone wallpaper. This full height wardrobe. So as you see, the room had to be given that push of height and volume. So we have given a full height wardrobe with sliding doors. So they are easy to move sliding doors with LED within, and they are soft close too. Then, as you all know, that in these times of lockdown and COVID and everything, home office is a must because work from home has become a new trend. So we have provided a beautiful workspace for our client, and so it has a huge 4-feet desk with wooden finish laminates from Century Lamp. As you see, the entire room has been divided into different zones. That is the sleeping area, the wardrobe, the study area, the dressing table, and everything looks in place. So we have reached to the end of the house tour, and I was really happy to show you this project and very, very excited. I hope that you have enjoyed, and my clients are enjoying it too. So yeah, that's it. Stay tuned for more house tours of our upcoming homes.